AI sex robots are storming into 2025, threatening to wipe out adult content as we know it. Could your OnlyFans hustle be replaced by a machine that's 50% cheaper and always available? Creators, this prediction will shock you. Hit subscribe, buckle up, and let's uncover if AI robots will steal your spotlight in the adult industry. 2025 is the year AI sex robots go mainstream. Companies like RealDoll are rolling out hyper-realistic bots with AI brains. Think responsive emotions, custom voices, and lifelike interactions. The tech is wild. Neural networks mimic human desire, cutting production costs by 50% compared to human shoots per TechTrend 2025. The market's exploding. $2 billion in global sales projected this year alone, up 150% from 2024. Hotels in Japan and VR clubs in the EU are already offering robot experiences, pulling 30% of adult content views, says Pleasure Tech Analytics. Creators, these machines don't sleep, don't strike, and don't need a paycheck. But here's the kicker. Are they a creator's dream tool, or their worst nightmare? Let's dive into the revolution. Now, the dark truth. AI sex robots could crush creators. A 2025 CreatorPulse survey reveals 45% of adult content makers fear robots will steal their audience. Why? Robots offer endless customization at half the cost, and platforms are noticing. OnlyFans reported a 20% dip in human-led content revenue in AI-heavy markets. Fans crave novelty and robots deliver without drama. Some studios are already cutting human shoots by 30%. But it's not just money. Robots raise ethical red flags. Non-consensual likeness bots, cloned from stolen selfies, are flooding dark web markets with 200,000 cases reported in 2025 per CyberSafe. Creators, your brand could be hijacked by a bot you never approved. This isn't just competition, it's a digital takeover threatening your livelihood. The adult industry is at a breaking point. Robots are splitting the market. High-end platforms pivot to bot-safe human content, while low-cost studios churn out AI-driven scenes, slashing budgets by 40% per industry as. Ethical battles rage, activists call robots exploitation-free, but creators slam them as job killers. A 2025 tech ethics poll shows 60% of fans prefer human authenticity, yet robot streams are up 25% on niche sites. Regulations lag, only 10 countries have AI robot laws, leaving creators vulnerable to likeness theft. Meanwhile, underground bot markets thrive, risking privacy leaks. 1 in 4 creators faced a data breach in 2025, says Secure AI. The shakeup's real. Will robots dominate, or can creators fight back with what machines can't fake, human connection? The answer might shock you. Creators, here's what AI sex robots mean for you in 2025. Your hustle's not doomed, but you need to act fast. First, lean into authenticity. 60% of fans crave real human stories, so double down on personal branding. Second, use blockchain verification like TrustAuth to prove your content's human-made, dodging likeness bot scams. Third, pivot to premium platforms. OnlyFans' new human-certified badge boosts human content by 15%. Scary stat, 35% of creators lost gigs to robots this year per creator safety. Stay safe, lock socials, watermark everything, and push for robot regulations. The future's human versus machine. Can you outshine the bots? Comment your strategy below and fight for your spotlight. AI sex robots are here and they're shaking the adult industry in 2025. Will they replace creators, or can you win? Smash like if this woke you up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more 2025 shocks. Comment, robots or creators, who wins? Share to warn your crew. Catch you in the next reveal.